So my name is Dr. Daniel Cohen. I'm here in Los Angeles at the LA Institute, learning occlusion from Dr. Ruiz. I took the course for Occlusion I, and I highly recommend it for anybody looking to learn more about occlusion. The highlights for me were that I can approach any case, and I pretty much now approach every case, with the 3 golden rules that he talks about of occlusion. I took some great information right away that I was able to implement in my practice. You know, you learn it on a Friday and a Saturday, and you can implement it quite easily on Monday morning. Patients have benefited in my practice from the knowledge of occlusion, and you know, many patients, they say that my bite in my mouth never felt better, never felt this way before. So I highly recommend it to anybody that wants to learn more about occlusion. It's very simplified, it's very direct, and Dr. Ruiz is great. He teaches you know, in an amazing way, which is very practical and simple at the same time. So I highly recommend Occlusion I and Occlusion II.